we're currently taking the E36 over to Will's house, and we're gonna change some tires, as you can see. We got a bunch in here, and we're just gonna cruise over. So I figured I'd get you some POV driving. Signal, so this is a little sketchy, but we're good. I tried to roll the window down, but my window switches are all up. Looks like a... Oh, thank God it's not. We're good. Not a steady. Miles an hour, dude. This Alright guys, we're about to pull up to Will's house. I'll pick you guys up when we get there.
Spinning, dude. What the...
We got
launching at us, dude. I swear to God.
We got tires like loaded in this thing. We have 3 in the back, 5 in the back seat.
We got 8 tires.
Heck yeah.
Wait, what?
We got 4 wheels and 4 tires.
No, 2 wheels, 4 tires.
No. What? 4 wheels, 4 tires.
Yeah, you're right.
Actually 8 tires if we're counting the ones on the wheels.
I'm so confused.
I'm waiting for Will to mount the tires. He ran inside to do them real quick. Only gonna be able to mount the M3 wheels, which kind of sucks, but I mean, I'll take what I can get. At least we have drift spares for tomorrow, because we're gonna go shoot. Gonna be kind of ugly. The sidewall is gonna be insane, but I'll pick you guys up whenever Will finishes up these tires. Bring on my old tires. He looks over at me and shook his head, so I don't know what that means, but all right guys, so we're vlogceptioning right now.
I actually shut my vlog off.
Oh, okay. Well, we finally have matching wheels. We're about to back it out and then you can really see it, but finally got the M3 wheels all the way around. Will mounted one backwards. It's okay though. We'll get over it. No. I'm completely sliding right now. Oh wait, no I'm not. You want me to go in front of you? I guess I'll try it. I'm gonna go easy though. Let Will do his thing if he wants to. I pulled up on the wrong side, god damn it. Box here, cool off the tires a little bit. Not bad.
Yeah, that looks pretty good.
Yeah, so I was first the whole time. Oh, tires are mid. Second? Was that second?
Yeah.
That wasn't bad though.
Wasn't great.
I need a lot more speed in second.
Yeah, same.
Nice. My car's doing that ticking thing again.
Yeah, it is.
Try that entry over there. He's gonna try to follow me. I mean, we're kind of sketchy, but I got a lot of dirt in my eyes. I need to put my windows up. All right, I'm gonna do one more and head out.
All right, same. Yeah.
Last one. Oh, that's clutch. That's nasty. I need more tire pressure. That's what it is.
Well, yeah, I set them to 30 because I thought they were your fronts. Set
Yeah.
your rears to 40. That's what mine are at. It rips.
Yeah, mine's
I
like,
need like 45.
I'm gonna do 45 because mine's like borderline.
Yeah.
It'll do it though. It has second all day. All right, guys. So this is gonna do it for today's video. Wasn't super eventful, but got some good slides in at the drift spot.
Hell yeah.
Will's got his GoPro on his head.
I'm still recording.
super sick. Our tires are still fine. We only did a few cents. My car's not even overheating, dude. 240, dude, looking good. Guys, I'm gonna end off the video here. Hope you guys enjoyed, and we'll see you in the next one. Just a small side note before I end off this video completely. The car's on 225 wides now, rather than a 205, so that's partially why we're messing with some grip adjustments. The tire pressure is 30 instead of like 40 to 45, where I'd like it to be at. And also, I just remembered that I have my jack, both my toolboxes, and like all my stuff is piled in the trunk. So I got a lot of weight over the rear tire. We just got some things to work out and some adjustments to make, and she should be ripping for this year. I don't know if this angle's good, but I'm on my road. I figured I'd